Congratulations on making the decision to open a tax-free Enable Savings Plan Alabama account. The following steps will make the process even easier. There are a few things to consider prior to opening an account, including choose a form of payment for the initial contribution, such as by check or an electronic deposit from your bank account. Select your investment options. You can read the investment section of the website and talk to others to help you pick the investment option that's right for you. Read more about Enable Savings Plan Alabama at enableal.com, including the program disclosure statement, which can be found in a link at the bottom of the homepage. In addition, if an adult is opening an account for a minor, the following information is needed for both parties: residential street address, birth date, Social Security or taxpayer identification number. While it's not required now, you may want to have the contributor's personal bank account number, which is used to pre-schedule contributions into your Enable Alabama account. Conservators, guardians, and those with the power of attorney for account owners need to show proof they have the legal relationship and will need to complete a form and open an account by mail. To begin the online enrollment process, go to enableal.com and click Enroll on the home page. First, provide information about the account owner. Legally, the account owner is the individual with disabilities. Enter the account owner's first and last name, their email address or yours if they don't have one, and your primary phone number. Click Continue. Before moving on to steps 1 through 6, please note that progress is tracked at the top of the screen. By clicking Save at the bottom of each screen, information can be saved and the application process can be completed in another session. You'll notice there are tips included in the left-hand column throughout the site. Refer to these when you may need some additional insight into that particular section. Step 1. Identify the person opening the account, either yourself as the account owner or the parent or guardian if the account owner is a minor. Next, provide information about the account owner. Be sure to fill out each box completely before moving on. Then select the disability type, eligibility code, and certify that this is the only existing ABLE account for the account owner. Once completed, click Next. Step 2 captures information about the person opening and managing the account. For your information, this section only appears if the parent of an account owner who is a minor is opening and managing an account for the account owner. Again, fill out the necessary information completely and click Next. Step 3. Identify how contributions will be invested. Choose any mix of investment options, but the total percentage must equal 100%. The mix here is just an example. You'll want to choose the one right for your situation. The initial and all future contributions will automatically be deposited into this designated mix of investment options. When finished, click Next. Step 4 includes selecting a funding method. This can be done using an automatic investment plan, or AIP, which is a regularly scheduled contribution from a bank account, as a single one-time contribution, from a paycheck, by check, or with a rollover from an existing qualified ABLE plan. We've chosen AIP as an example. Next, enter the day and frequency of your AIP contribution. Then complete your bank instructions. When finished, click Next. In Step 5, choose the delivery method for receiving quarterly statements, confirmations of activity, and tax forms. Choose to have any or all of these materials distributed by email or physically mailed to the account owner or the parent or guardian. Check the appropriate box to certify the delivery method, and if applicable, consent to electronic delivery. Then click Next. The final step in the application process includes the setup of a username, a password, security questions, and a security image. Once these fields are complete, click Continue. Now review all of the information you've entered. You're able to go back and make any edits. You'll also want to review the consent to electronic delivery, which allows you to open an Enable Savings Plan Alabama account and agree to the terms and conditions using an e-signature. Once complete, click Sign. At this point, you have successfully enrolled in an Enable Savings Plan Alabama account. You can print the account information to keep for your records. For any additional questions or more information about Enable Savings Plan Alabama, Visit enableal.com.